To connect your FedEx account with Shopify for seamless shipping integration, follow these steps. Sign into Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Settings, then select Shipping and Delivery. Manage shipping rates. Scroll down to the shipping section and click Manage Rates. Add shipping carrier. Under the Carrier Account section, click Add Carrier Account. Select FedEx. In the list of carriers, choose FedEx. If FedEx is not available, you may need to install FedEx Shopify app from the Shopify App Store. Enter FedEx account information. You will be prompted to enter your FedEx account credentials. This includes your FedEx account number, meter number, and API key. Set up shipping rates. Once connected, you can configure real-time FedEx shipping rates during checkout and apply specific shipping rules based on your needs. Save and test. After connecting and configuring, click Save. Test the integration by running a few mock orders to ensure FedEx rates appear correctly at checkout.